Hello, welcome to another Manga Cooking with Kitsune Mask. Thank you for your support. We recently hit 100 subscribers. In this video, we're going to be making Isobe Tsukune Donburi based on the manga The Masterful Cat is Depressed Again Today by the mangaka Hitsuzi Yamada. In English, Isobe Tsukune Donburi translates to seaweed chicken meatballs over rice. The ingredients we'll be working with will be enough for 2 servings. They will be listed in the description below the video as well. First, the main feature, chicken tsukune. 200 grams of ground chicken, 1 beaten egg, 150 grams of silken tofu, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, and lastly 1 pinch salt and pepper. 1 sheet of nori cut into 6 pieces for the 6 tsukune patties we're going to make. The following will be used to make the sauce for the tsukune patties. 2 tablespoons mirin, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon cooking sake. To bring the donburi all together, you'll need the following ingredients. 1 cup of rice which you'll be cooking, a small handful of sprouts. I believe in the manga they use daikon sprouts. 1 raw egg. Some people may be uncomfortable eating a raw egg, so if you don't want to, you don't have to. 1 small green onion, 1 pinch white sesame seed. We're going to bring together all these different ingredients into one spectacular, delicious donburi. Start off by washing and cooking your rice. Oil the bottom of your pan. You can use vegetable oil or something similar. Now we'll make the chicken tsukune patties in a mixing bowl. Chicken, cornstarch, ginger, beaten egg, tofu, lastly, salt and pepper. Mix all the ingredients together, preferably with your hands. This is the consistency we're looking for. Dividing the mix helps to portion size it. In this case, we'll be doing 6 portions. Mold the tsukune mix into patties. Wrap the seaweed around the patty. Put the patty in a pan. Repeat for the remaining patties. Cook for roughly 2 to 3 minutes on each side on medium heat. Cover with the lid when you do. Don't forget to flip your patties. Change the stovetop to low heat. Leave the patties in the pan for the next step. For the sauce, we'll make it in the pan. Cooking sake, mirin, soy sauce. Tilt the pan to distribute the sauce. Flip tsukune to sauce the other side. Done with cooking, now time to assemble the donburi. Put the rice in a bowl. Add the sprouts. Adding the sprouts first will help the tsukune stand up for a better presentation. Time to add the tsukune. Add the raw egg. Again, this is not necessary if you don't feel comfortable eating a raw egg. Ugh, the egg's a little off place, but I'll fix that in post-production. Finally, top with the green onions and sesame seeds. A little too much green onions. Let's go fix that to match the manga more. You're now done making a delicious Isobe Tsukune Donburi. It'll certainly fill you up with all the chicken, tofu, egg, and rice you'll be eating. Itadakimasu. I love the sheen on the chicken, makes it look so enticing. Delicious. You can really taste the sauce and the insides are so soft and fluffy. Time to try it with the egg. Ooh, look at that oozing egg flowing down. When eaten together with the egg, it really tones down the ginger flavor, which I don't mind honestly, because I don't really like ginger. So tasty. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy making and eating your own delicious Isobe Tsukune Donburi. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Time to talk about the manga which inspired me to make this donburi. The neighbor of Yukichi the cat had given Yukichi green tea and seaweed as she had gotten too many. Yukichi used the nori that he gotten to make chicken meatballs. Yukichi put those chicken meatballs on top of a bowl of rice so that his owner, Saku, can enjoy it. She enjoyed it so much she wanted another serving of the donburi. Though Yukichi, being the masterful cat that Yukichi is, said no. As I stated earlier, the donburi can add up in calories with all the chicken, egg, and rice that you'll be eating. Since Yukichi cannot talk, Yukichi brought out a weight scale in order to emphasize how much weight she would gain if she were to eat another helping. That is one masterful cat. The first 2 volumes of the manga have been translated into English. Support the mangaka by buying the manga in digital or physical print. You can buy the manga through the links in the description below. You can also get the physical copy of the Japanese version from Amazon Japan in the link below as well. Don't forget to follow the mangaka on Twitter where you'll find excellent pictures of Yukichi just like these. Until next time, see ya!